web series for Linux system administration. Myself, Mansoor Lasana, I'm solution architect in Technical Solutions. Previously, we were discussing about the file management, and in this video, we will see the directory management. So, without wasting any time, just quickly move to our server. So, just clear the screen. Clear. So, in order to create directories in Linux, we have a command called mkdir. Actually, it's derived from make directory. And in Linux, it will gives you ability to create directories and folders in different location. So to use or create directory, we have two ways. Either we define the absolute path where we need to create the directory, or we only do specify the name of the directory. So if we do specify the name of the directory, so what happened? It will create directory in your current location. Wherever you are sitting or standing, it will create a directory. So if we hit ls space minus la, so we can see there is a directory called current which we just created. So this is for whenever you need to create directory on your current location. So currently we are on home cloud user. So it creates the directory under the home cloud user. So imagine you need to create directory on some other location. Let's quickly move as a root user. So we will have ability to create directory anywhere. So let's clear the screen. So imagine we need to create a directory in some other location. So our current path is /root, and imagine we need to create directory under var lib, var log, and maybe syslog. So for this, we need to after the mkdir, we need to specify the absolute path where we need to create directory, var log. And if we hit the double tab, so we will get to know the available option. But what we need to do is we need to create directory under the var log uh, dir1. So what happened? Because var log is already there, so it navigates to the first var, then log, and create a directory called var log. If we navigate to var log, then we can see the dir1 is there. So what happened if we need to remove that directory? So there is a command called rm. rm is used to remove the files and directory. So to remove the directory, we need to use rm space minus rf and the directory name. So what will does, it will delete the directory. So let's move back to our original path and let us see. So let's say uh, at the moment we saw we need to create a directory under the var log. Imagine we need to create a directory which path doesn't exist. So imagine our current location is /root and there is no directory. Imagine we need to create a directory under /root /dir1 /dir2 /dir3. These all directory doesn't exist. So what we can do? So mkdir gives you ability to create directories with their parent paths. So previously we saw var log is a parent path and dir1 is the directory we need to create. Imagine if we are creating a directory with absolute path and the parent path doesn't exist. Imagine we need to create a directory called mkdir slash root dir1 slash dir2. What happened in that case? Because on root there is no directory called dir1 and dir2. So if there is no directory called dir1 is present, so how will going to be create this particular directory? So in that case, our command will got failed and says no such file directory. But Linux gives you ability to create your parent directory and then child directory as well. So to do this, we have a switch called -p. That means create a parent directories structure and then create a child directory as well. So if we saw, so there is a directory called dir1. If we list dir1, so we can see there is a directory called dir2 as well. So hence proved, if we need to create a directory structure that doesn't exist, we can create with a single command with -p switch. So we will try it again. /root dir3, dir4, dir5, dir6. Oh, it got failed. But if we hit that command with -p switch, it got created. And if we need to remove the directories, so we can just use rm space -rvf, and either we can specify if we need to delete these three directories, so we simply can delete /root dir3. If we need to delete only this directory, then we need to specify the entire absolute path. Then it will delete the dir6. If we want to delete some more child directories, directory for dir5, so we need to specify the whole path. It is more simple if we delete the dir3, so dir4 and dir5 will automatically get rid. What happened? First it deletes the dir5, then it deletes dir4, and then it deletes the dir3. That's how Linux approaches the deletion and creation process. I hope this video will help you. Uh, that's it for the lecture. We will see you in next video. Thank you.